For my first lion, I think it was in 2008. I was at Great Barrier at this time. I was actually more than happy because I mean, since I started working, it was kind of a goal, and everyone told me it was something amazing to get his first lion, which was for me. It was a bronze. It was in outdoor, and I was as excited but then I was disappointed when I arrived to Cannes, because for me having a lion was huge. It was something phenomenal. And then I went with my creative director at the Palais des Festivals in Cannes to be at the ceremony, and I was disappointed because I realized that having just a bronze was there was just showing the country regarding your category and the color. So there was different countries. There was France, and among all the other French agencies that received a bronze lion, that was the name of the agency. So it's, I think, my moment of glory lasts 1 second. So I was really disappointed, and it just makes me feel that if you want to really be really rewarded, clearly rewarded, you need to definitely get much more than just a simple bronze. This is why it makes me, I think, work harder and get other colors later on.